Zarbina, I am the student. I participate the quiz scientific world, and today my model about the parts of brain. Brain is the critical part of central nervous system that consists of millions of neurons. And brain is enclosed in a skull, which is called cranium box. Brain controls all functions of main body. There are 4 parts of brain, like forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain is the biggest part of brain and consist which is and consisting 4 big parts like cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. Cerebrum is the biggest part of brain. Cerebrum is the upper and biggest part of brain, which controls the function of hearing, saying, thinking, deciding, etc. Thalamus is found inside the cerebrum, and a small part which controls different active functions. Hypothalamus is present inside thalamus, which controls the coordination of muscle and the balance of body. Midbrain is the middle part of brain under cerebrum, which if has very small body structure compared to cerebrum. Midbrain compared to cerebrum, it controls the function of eye motion, and it controls the function of it controls the sense of listening and the function of eye motion. Hindbrain is the behind part of brain, consists like 3 parts, likewise cerebrum, medulla oblongata, and pons. Cerebrum is located behind part of cerebrum. Cerebellum is located behind part of cerebellum. In this control the coordination of muscle and the balance of body. Pons is located on medulla oblongata. This part of the brain, medulla oblongata, the behind part of the brain, which is joined with the behind part of the mind, which is joined with spinal cord. It's called medulla oblongata. It's control the blood pressure and the respiratory system and beating of heart.